Come.
Hey folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It's Friday, July 20. And we welcome everyone on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam, TVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com. Michael Jackson starting us off, a young Michael Jackson starting us off this morning. Great to have you with us and hope you're ready to go. Well, go on.
And we can run again. Shall I be your love?
All right, so you're not talking to me, so let me continue, folks.
I like it here.
Which here?
So you've decided to just keep it for a little bit.
Yeah, look at this.
That's good. Change is good. So now, when Morgan Heritage sing, don't have to dread to be Rasta, you feel like you can connect with that tune. When I sing Chase Those Crazy Ballad Out of Town, you can also connect with that tune. Because you are crazy and you're... Oh.
I'm not crazy.
Enough of them a circus clown. No?
No.
No? Okay.
Well, go on, you good?
Good evening, man. I'm all right. Thank you for asking.
Like you talk, man.
Thank you very much.
You will come.
It's Pat Wright doing the magic.
Because I do have no cough, but I'm coughing. So
Oh.
why am I coughing?
Maybe you have a cold developing in your mole,
No,
which is now exposed because you don't have any hair. A joke.
No,
A
I
joke.
don't get
A joke.
those things.
Sinuses, maybe?
I don't know. Yeah, it's my sinus. But usually I can't figure out what caused it. I can't figure out what caused this one.
I hope it goes away. It's Friday. Can you believe that? The 20th of July.
Already.
Am I done, people?
Christmas. Coming.
Finish.
Soon November.
Kaput. Incredible.
See, I have a lot of time to get my gift.
November 10 is like eons away.
That's what I'm saying. You have a lot of time to get my gift.
You really start talking about birthday already?
Yes, sir.
All right. I got
I know
it.
you like to think about these things and get...
I'll get your wig. No? What would you like for your birthday this year?
I'll tell you off here.
Harrow, just go away. Will you go away, Harrow?
Oh, Harrow, get involved.
Why is he looking at me from
But
he
get
stepped out from back of the camera to glare at me?
And I answer. The man just like the answer that I give.
All right. No problem. Manager and managee. The two of them is the same thing.
No.
Can't bother, man.
Ask me a question. Right?
Yes, true.
What would you like for your birthday?
World peace.
We're not that magnet.
It's 6 o'clock. You know, you need a purge. You need a purge, a mental purge. There's a web of salacious muck in your head.
I could come up with these things as quickly as Coaston does.
A purge. You need a purge. You need Raquel to just sit you down one day and just lay hands on you and purge you.
But I don't.
Just don't follow Coaston.
No, I'm not following him. I'm just saying I don't want you to purge everything. I think you must leave a little bit of who he is. You can't take away his identity and his natural ability to come up with these wonderful...
Ludicrous things?
Not everything him come up with ludicrous. I like what him say a while ago.
Ludicrous?
No.
LEWD dash.
I know exactly what you mean. All right, what's on the show this morning, folks, Dooley? I've done that already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, there's no disputing it's hot, people. So we had to invite a mixologist this morning to whip up a few refreshing, light summer cocktails for those of you who indulge.
What is a cocktail, please?
It's a mixture of liqueurs and drinks that refresh and refine.
Why don't you say
I don't know, because cocktails are usually signature, so maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Right.
We can ask.
And if your palate isn't feeling the cocktail vibe, we tone it down a notch with a nostalgic favorite, Sky Juice.
Mad. Man, I used to drink a lot of those when I was a child.
That is the same thing as the ice thing where you put the syrup and that is what that.
Syrup. So you put ice and water and
Sky Juice
syrup,
right name.
and then you in a plastic bag
name?
and a straw. No.
Suck.
No, suck is in a bag and it's frozen, solid, and then you have to rip off the plastic and then suck it until it's done.
Different from Sky Juice.
Yeah, Sky Juice is shaved ice in a bag with syrup. You drink out the syrup and water and then you heat the
With
ice.
the one we have like in the little cone with the ice and then put the syrup on it. Now, the same
That's a
thing,
snow cone.
A
You need to
snow
get it.
cone.
Yes, you have a snow cone versus a sky juice versus a suck suck.
Okay. So the snow cone and the suck suck is the same.
No.
So it's 3 different things.
Yes.
I like that one. I like the one where the cone and you put the syrup on it. And, but that him?
That's a snow cone.
I like that one.
The sky juice is a version of the cone, but it has more water.
Yeah, I
So
like
you actually
that.
have the juice in there before you get to the
The
ice.
snow cone, I like.
Boy, we need to have a lot of snow cone this summer, Carl. Let me tell you something.
It's quite hot.
Yes. All right. We're also bringing the sky to you if those options are not cooling enough. We've got a professional DIYer who's going to help you guys beat the heat with an AC unit that will keep you cool indoors. As in, he's going to...
Pelem.
See what must work if you're playing berries? Is that what you want us to do?
Pelem.
Because you play berries
He's going to be on Sunfest tomorrow night.
on the floor.
Pelem. Here's the berries for the hammers.
came
And since
back.
you're already indoors,
What?
folks, Dooley, why not just refresh your feet while you're at it? We're going to look at ways to treat those souls.
What it is?
Again. Well,
Me. Soulful tones from Rebecca Bissoon. The young crooner takes a smile stage this morning with some soothing sounds.
sounds of 3 young competitors. Our Friday staple rollout is on the table.
Okay. What we're doing, hot topics? Tabletop positions, downward dog. Wow, we're talking yoga. Yoga.
Tabletop position.
Yoga.
I like that too. Yeah, man.
What did Coulson say?
Uh,
Really?
I'm,
Cat got his tongue?
am I segment that?
Yeah. Let's just give it to you. It's yoga. Yoga, not what he's thinking. And you don't have to do anything. Sakina and Dwayne will check that out for us. We'll see what they've been up to. But what has the world been up to? We find out now with our hot topic. So come with us. That Barris was very random. Yeah.
It just show in.
Okay. All right. So Rihanna.
No.
No? So go on then. No?
So, oh, you have
I don't know.
one and my one different
I
from
don't
your
know.
one.
Go ahead now.
All right, so the government will invite or has invited, no, will
Will be
invite
inviting.
those 12 youngsters you saw. They said 12 from a youth football team in Thailand and their coach. They were recently rescued from a flooded cave. So they're going to be an all-expense-paid vacation here in Jamaica. They're aged 11 to 16. They're a 25-year-old coach. What a great story that they were rescued. Unfortunately, one of the Navy SEALs lost his life. But they're all well. There they are. And that's the picture of the Navy SEAL right there as they pay tribute. Apparently, the coach was a little concerned because apparently some of the kids never got permission from the parents
Uh-oh.
to go to the... So they were very, very concerned that they were going to get a hard time. But I guess moms and dads were so happy to see them that they probably still will.
Story is, I can't wait to see the movie. This
it's a
has
brilliant
been
story.
such an incredible, I mean, the world was transfixed watching this
brilliant story.
I think this is a great move by our government, actually. No doubt some people are going to say where we're going to find the money and all the rest of it, but it's a good, Minister, it's a good PR stunt as well, because Jamaica gets good coverage out of it if in fact they do come. The eyes of the world will be on us for the time they're here. So it's a nice gesture. 12 boys, aged 11 to 16.
Brilliant.
Their coach, 25 years old. Hopefully, we'll be able to come, and Jamaica will get a chance to show them some love, because certainly we were doing that while they were trapped inside the cave. Where are you going now?
What's the next one?
You tell me. 'Cause-
Rihanna. Tell me about
So she's
Rihanna.
producing a... Jamaican producers and songwriters have submitted 500 records for a new album that's been more than a year in the making, a dance hall album that Rihanna is doing. Okay.
So I don't understand that. If we send 500 records, I mean, is she doing the album? They're not through with records.
They send beats. So they
they
send
send
tracks or...
Yeah, but you say 500 records, it never said
No, well, they
500.
call them, it's Rolling Stone write it, so. But some of them might send like a record with a demo, so it might be somebody there singing the tune as they've written it or what they would think it should
Or
sound
she
like,
do it
and then
over.
she would, yeah, but they would get credit for writing and arrangements and stuff.
Why is she doing it?
Why is she
She's
doing
never
that?
done
She's done
reggae.
many dancehall songs,
Yeah.
or, well, quote-unquote dancehall songs, but a dancehall album.
So why is she doing it?
Because who's not doing it? Everybody doing dancehall these days.
That's why she's doing it?
Super Dupes is, ooh.
Who's
So let me
Super
see some of the folks who...
Who's Super Dupe?
The producer.
Who
Veteran dancehall
Who
producer.
is produced? What is produced?
He's produced Drake. Controller was Super Dupe.
In produce who?
Drake. You don't ask me who Drake is.
Who is Drake?
Oh my gosh.
Huh? Who is
He's a
Drake?
Canadian dancehall-ish artist. He's a man that the world credits with the birth of dancehall. Well, at least Wikipedia does.
Drake?
Yes.
He's a Jamaican living in Canada.
No,
He's a Canadian.
he's a Canadian. He's one of your peoples.
You know him?
If I know him, no.
He's a big man, young boy,
He's
old man.
he's a huge international artist.
Yeah, but he's an old man like
No,
me.
he's a young man.
So come in and know him.
I'm not sure.
So why I don't know him?
Him knows who. Him just need to know that him know.
No, okay.
Right. So
Who
I
else?
guess we'll wait to see
Who else
who
is
gets
on
there. Nobody on it yet.
Who is
Just
Cranium,
saying-
please?
Cranium is an artist.
I know, but who is Cranium?
Okay. So Jody giving you the song there. That's not really
Everybody
what he
know
said in the
Cranium?
song though. You're giving us a clean version. Should we go into the third hot topic? Or would you like to keep asking me who people are?
How you pronounce that word?
What?
The one on the top there.
Pupils?
Oh, pupils. People still call people so? They're not
In
student
England,
names.
it's a British.
They're not student. Who says
Of course,
good
the
morning,
British would say,
pupils?
"Hello, pupils. No talking between classes." At
Nobody
this
says
school
that.
in
I've never been called a pupil.
Albany School in Hornchurch has brought back old-fashioned silence rules. Children are banned from speaking in the corridors, must line up for lessons.
When they say brought it back, I've never heard of a rule where nobody couldn't talk.
I guess it was a rule before in British culture. Teachers at the East London school say behaviour has now markedly improved since they put this in. I guess people were behaving badly. So them saying, no, during lessons on a walk in a line, orderly line, and do not spoke. And it's working. I wonder if we could try that in Jamaica.
It would work.
You don't think so?
The
You'd
boss
have
wants to
no
know
hope.
if you all know what is back and front in the same Sky Juice discussion.
Which boss? Claire?
Yeah, she just said.
Is that something from Lindsay?
She said Sky Juice and ice cream, and she said you all know what is back and front. Sky Juice and ice cream.
Back and forth?
Everyone say back and front. Everyone say him know it.
Sky
So do you
juice and
know?
ice cream?
Yeah. Back
That's
and
not a
front.
thing. That's a thing? Then how that tastes, Claire?
Yeah, the producer said Cadine used to have it in Westmoreland.
Well, okay.
A bag with
Sky
ice,
juice.
and you put ice cream in the bag on top of the ice, and that is back and front. And you have the ice cream out of the bag. Mrs. Grant, where you hear that? Where you know them something from?
What happened to your belly after you eat that? That doesn't sound like it's pleasant. How do you enjoy that?
Ice
Okay.
cream and Sky Juice.
Negative.
So it named Sky Cream. Oh, back
It's called
and front.
back and
yeah.
front.
All right.
Cream juice.
Okay.
Cream juice.
Cream juice. All right. So, I have to say happy birthday to my very good friend. Very, very. Hold on, I have a picture of what Jody had before. So, may I show the picture? All right. So,
Jody has the phone.
yeah, because it's not in Jamaica. So I didn't want to send it to him, but I didn't want to show him. So I show him picture.
Oh.
But Jody have the picture.
That's not going to work.
All right, so I will show it another time. But happy birthday to my very good friend Simon Bennett, who is away in Trinidad. Regine, I know you're going to see this and hear this. So I hope you will have an absolutely brilliant day today. Greetings coming from your wife, Lachelle. Of course, me, your bona fide Bridget. And I wish you so many, many, many more. But I can't show you a picture, Bridget, because a video in this and the picture in a video, so you don't know how you see yourself. So you don't see yourself, but just go in the mirror and you will know, say, it's you. So happy birthday, Bridget.
Wow.
Much love, my brother.